Welcome to the session. Today, we'll explore how to create a JavaScript function that retrieves the first null, non-null, and non-undefined argument from a given list of inputs. This approach ensures we can handle cases where certain values may not be valid, allowing us to proceed with the first available valid data. Let's dive in. The challenge here is to identify the first non-null and non-undefined value from a series of inputs. Faulty values, like empty strings and nan, should not be excluded unless explicitly null or undefined. This implementation uses array.prototype.find to iterate through the arguments and locate the first value that is not null or undefined. This ensures that valid falsy values like 0 or false are correctly identified. The process starts by accepting multiple arguments, iterates through them, and skips nullish values. Once the first valid value is found, it is returned immediately. In the first example, we skip over null, undefined, and other invalid inputs until hello is encountered. In the second case, 0 is considered valid since it's not null or undefined. The ES6 version simplifies the function by using arrow functions and the spread operator. This makes the code more concise and easier to read. This approach is especially useful in scenarios like handling default values, processing user inputs, or managing configuration options, where you need to identify the first valid input dynamically. To summarize, this method provides a clean and efficient way to handle default values or skip invalid inputs in JavaScript. Its utility in real-world applications like forms or configuration management makes it an essential tool. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.